How to gain muscle mass for skinny guys fast. They say patience is the key, but does this still apply in the weight room when your goal is to grow muscle? Yes, change takes time. However, if you're looking to grow and build muscle mass but aren't seeing obvious size change from month to month, then your approach is likely off. Plus, a workout is a bad thing to waste. And even if you do see progress, why not aim for more? So, how do you gain muscle mass fast? In this video, we will be walking you through some best tips that will surely rev up your results in no time so you can finally bid farewell to your skinny self. Will it be about exercises or perhaps diet tips? Keep on watching to know. Number 1. Establish strength goals. Work on getting stronger. The more strength you have, the more your body can recruit muscle fibers, especially those that make the biggest difference in your physique. Pick 3 exercises you want to improve on, like 1 upper body push, another for upper body pull, and 1 lower body exercise. Number 2. Have a food journal. Keeping track of your nutrition is just as important as monitoring your training goals and progress. Unless you're eating enough calories, your hard work on training won't do much. Jot down everything you eat and drink. If you aren't making the progress you'd hoped for, make some adjustments. Number 3. Focus on compound exercises. Compound exercises like deadlifts, press, squat, and pull-up work lots of muscle mass. As such, they make efficient training. Not to mention, they promote the release of hormones that stimulate growth. You can still do some isolation work, but perform them after your compound lifts. Number 4. Go to sleep half an hour earlier. Recovery is a must for muscle growth, and sleeping is the best way to do it. If you can't get 8 to 9 hours of sleep each night, then try managing the time you go to bed. This way, you can have the best chance of getting as much sleep as you can. Number 5. Drink a shake during training. Paying attention to your pre- and post-workout nutrition is a given. What many fail to notice is the importance of drinking a shake with protein and carbs during a workout. Mid-workout nutrition will keep your energy up and help you train harder. Drink a modest amount of around 20 grams of protein and 40 grams of carbs. Number 6. Train each muscle 2 to 3 times a week. Can you only lift weights 3 times a week? If so, switch to full-body workouts so you can work your entire body every session. Doing so will ensure that you hit each muscle 3 times a week. Do 2 to 3 sets per muscle group. Number 7. Take care of your legs. Your goal is to have a huge chest and arms. We get it. But you shouldn't neglect your legs either. Muscle imbalances look terrible, and more importantly, heavy compound lower body exercises have a huge influence on your overall muscular development, including your upper body. Number 8. Eat more on off days. Even when you aren't training, you should still eat well. The recovery phase is when most muscle growth takes place. Thus, it's important to feed your body with tons of nutrients during that time. If you have a question or concern about this video, write them below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.